Good morning. Welcome back to Blue Ridge Silverhound and We Like Coin Collecting. Today we are going to talk about a few brand spanking new Jefferson Nickel pickups that I picked up, and I'm going to kind of showcase why I picked them up. I came across a nice little new assemblage of coins that came into the local LCS, and it just so happens to be at the right time, right place. There were a few older albums that were assembled probably about 30 years ago of what would rather be some elite pieces in my estimation, just based off of what I've seen. But a lot of the coins I picked up for under $2, and I feel like that I made a really good deal. And for the most part, okay, these coins more than likely will be sent over to NGC sometime here in the next few months. And by the time it's all said and done, I am going to share the results. I'm kind of excited. These are coins that look beautiful, have a little bit of color, and the strike is tremendous. So I'm going to talk about each coin. I'm going to tell you why I picked them up on a individual basis. Starting out, we got 1947 D Jefferson Nickel. What can I say? This coin is absolutely marvelous, with little to no contact marks. And on the reverse, based on how the light shines on it, super atomic toning, all album toning. These came out of old 30-year-old Dansko albums. This one has super sharp full steps that go across here. This one most certainly will become a full steps designated nickel by the time it's all said and done. There's no nicks, no scratches to be made aware of. I feel like that this is a coin, from my estimation, should grade 66 or higher. I don't know, we'll see. I doubt there's enough color on this thing to designate a star on there. That would be simply fantastic. But truly marvelous coin. Again, I picked all these up for under $2 a piece. You can't really go wrong with BU quality Jefferson Nickels. I have some sort of feeling that maybe these were all cherry picked by the previous collector. And up next, I have a 1940D. Again, absolutely stunning high grade example. While a relatively common date with full steps, which that's what this one has right here, full steps, not a nick. I'm telling you, this is a very high end collection, and I'm excited. I'm excited at the prospects of sending this in and getting some really nice coins that I could just really hold on to for a while with full steps. Again, 1940 40D is not exactly a tough date to find. With full steps, there's a little bit of dust underneath the flip there. But regardless, these are coins that I search out on a regular basis, and it's affordable. That's the one thing you could say about this is, you know, if you find the right place, you pick up these nickels for between $2 to $10. Save for some of the key dates like the 39D, 50D, 39S, 38D, and S. Why not? And when you go to these coin shops and shows, make sure you have your magnifier. That is equally important. But this is a 40D, again, with a little bit of residual color around the outside edge of the coin. The color is not nearly as important as the overall cleanliness of the coin. The absence of any sort of distracting nicks, especially the more gnarlier kind of like bag marks that you would typically see on this issue. And some of the problem areas is the cheek and the cheekbone area, the jawline, sorry, and part of his the top of his collar right here are especially big problem areas when it comes to nicks and scratches and so on and so forth. Again, full steps. I wouldn't have it any other way. Otherwise, I typically won't buy these coins without the full steps. I have full albums with full step coins that I've assembled in the past 25 years, and that's another 40D. You know, as far as a contrast, they both have color, and I love finding old collections that have come out of these albums. So here's an interesting piece. It's a 43p silver war nickel. This one has clashing. If you don't see, you can see the few of the lines from Monticello onto the obverse of the coin, which is really spectacular. But this is a nice high grade example. This one I did not pick up for $2. Got this one for $7.50. Again, this one has full steps. Again, it's a common date for full steps. So usually you'll want to gun for some of the highest grades. I think Mint State 67 or 68 might be the top pop for this particular date. They were just so well struck. So there would be no reason why you couldn't find a nice hammered example out there. But then again, you know, these are coins that are under $2, under $10. Again, the satisfaction level of collecting these type of coins, the older Jefferson Nickels, is through the roof, and I would highly recommend it. And finally, here is an especially tough date. Okay, it's 1955. The luster is not nearly as strong as the previous four examples of this coin, but it's a coin nonetheless that I could use as an upgrade in my albums. And again, it's extremely tough to find one with full luster. The strikes on these are generally not too good. However, this one has full steps. It's kind of tough to tell. There's slight weakening at the bottom 5 or 6 steps, number 5 and 6, which might hold me back from actually submitting this particular example. And you know, with the absence of any strong luster, that could be kind of tough too. You know, this would be a coin that if it came back Mint State 64 with no full steps, it wouldn't be worth submitting at all. Okay, you'd be talking about a $10 coin at that point in the slab. So this is simply an upgrade to a coin that's in my album. But nonetheless, that is what I picked up. All these for under $20 altogether. And I put them in these flips temporarily. I think I'm going to put them in a different container when I send them out. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Cheap, inexpensive Jefferson Nickels. And of course, they're all older dates, okay? Jefferson Nickel started in 1938. There's no reason why that you can't cherry pick some relatively good looking examples with full steps for not a whole lot of money. Okay, if you guys have coin shops or you have shows that come into town, or maybe you have some local coin club type meetings that have sellers and merchants there, those are definitely some places I would look. But anyways, appreciate you guys. Hit like, subscribe to Blue Ridge Silverhound if you haven't done so, and hit the bell for instant notifications. It's down below. You'll gain access to all the newest content as they're made available. Again, I appreciate your guys' time. Love you guys. And yeah, keep on collecting, keep hunting. Take care.